Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 0, Zimbabwe 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Puma Gupi.
Oh man, nanusive man Puma la SNK.
Ukala.
No, I was expecting a win. Yeah, but TLP 70.
TLP 70.
Cool 70. That's a man of the match.
Marukala ngoba.
We were leading. Then why could not they know Kutumukwena? In this matter, he suffer. Suffer kindness better. Because against Zangan, I'm a players. I mean, just got low, he suffer. Suffer kindness.
Next game.